But of course,
unajua una interject no menya ndaririe na mutumia ucio anjiriete no menya githaiga suka sabi no amenya gai gio gathinya TikTok drama teo TikTok
mudu muge mwana witu ri, I think we are all here to grow. Agikorwo we are here to grow, we ugikenda guthi gucuna itira ria mundu riria
so you are there because of views and to grow.
Hello.
Aya.
Wait.
Ugo no mo grow agi. Show me your ways.
Hello. Kade haone kadha.
Wita sai gwaku niki. I believe uko na nini congregation mzima ma followers wako kufanya live yako ishike. Odhi yako dandiera kwenda niki. Why unaenda kugaslit?
Say what again? Sorry, I didn't get that last part.
You have enough followers to open a chai. Why do you always go to people's platform so that unawezeka kasumbi na kasukari?
Oh, because the people in the other people's platform are not my followers, so I'm getting them to follow me. Yeah.
So you always go there to steal followers.
Not to steal, to gain. Big difference.
Oh, to gain. But no, another thing, you always go there. For my own opinion, you always go there because you know, ukarega gutumara ayoni ndonire kwa githiga muthia atiriri wa muthia atiriri I don't know how to purchase a lion, but I can send you some money so that you can
absolutely akili mtu wangu babe, akili mtu wangu. See,
so that people they can follow you.
I see.
Yeah.
Nilikuwa nataka nikuoneshe kama sasa hiyo ya black ulikuwa unasema juu niko nayo.
Babe, ndaichukua 27 niletee.
Nilikuwa nataka kukuonesha sample vile zinakaa kama itakupendeza.
Unajua teki kosa kunipendeza, I'll still buy it for someone else.
Yeah. Niki ready.
So saizi ngoja kwanza, let me step on this. Shara, ngoja, let me talk to this guy who is telling me that I am riding on other people's glory.
You go and salivate about people's chai. Imagine see how hungry are you to go and salivate.
I'm so fucking lolly, so hungry.
You know, I see. I always envy your lifestyle, but at the same time, you are. This is too much. It's too much, oh.
So don't envy my lifestyle anymore. Just hate me. That's okay. I'll take.
No, I cannot hate you.
I'll take the hate. I'll take the fucking hate.
Chineke, it's not. Hate is a big word.
I am riding on you. Listen, guys, everyone, understand this. I'm riding on Degwa's glory. He's the one who's glorious. Him and his friends, they're glorious. I'm riding on the glory. Oh my God, if it was not for these people, I swear to God, I would not be here with my phone. Jesus Christ. Respect the OGs, guys. Follow these people.
No, you're not the OG. You are not.
No, I'm saying respect the OGs. You are the OGs. You girls.
No, we are not. We are not. We always see things because we can see.
Nĩngwambia kũruga cai nĩndona
ndona nginya BK ndona nginya start kuicarekera kĩngorino style ndona nginya na kĩremba
nginya nĩ mũkũrino
nĩ mũkũrino tamaka wenda kwetu ati ndigetha mamufuate othe.
Great, all Gorinos, please follow me and give me your glory, guys. Gorinos.
Nĩ mwanagĩria na karago.
Oh. Na via edicio nginya ethaga JCM guthikwo na uria baba uria wa JCM
etagwo kĩrĩa
etagwo ati atamũrindadirikania rĩtwa rĩake
etagwo kanga kĩengei
Kiengei ye no ndahirwo nginya appointment yaugire ũcio Kiengei yaugire esi oka kuoya cai kana
She
kũnguya
literally actually sang
arega kumwita nĩkĩũcio
me.
netaga andũ mena
I've
kondomu hau
never been to
nake
that church. I'm not planning to go to that church.
wendaga hĩndĩ ĩrĩa abu agĩke ngũhe mũcenio ũngĩ wathiaga kũmĩtinda mamombe ĩrĩ wa gwĩka atĩa nĩkĩ wathiaga kũmũmiti
When?
ndaiguire ciauga atĩrĩrĩ let me cut you short auge atĩrĩrĩ somebody just sent me
Kuna
money
mambo.
augire atĩrĩrĩ I just received some M-Pesa from someone anonymous person back in Kenya. All of a sudden, I can break the ice. Ndamwama bare kira ati nyagutumira ngiri igana rimwe na ni ngwirutira passport okay Dubai okay rejuvenate you heal you do what
ndama ũcio agũtũmĩire mbeca kana nĩ wakĩrumba agũtũmĩire
But
mbeca
atumire sta ngiri igana rimwe
Hold on, let me tell you. So, now wait. So Wakeruba ahoredi like 2 days before the mchango akijare Esi, I'm gonna send you 100k. 1 day before the mchango akedomera 100k. Okay. Tagira mushago inere. And I actually announced it before. Gi announced Wakeruba ni adomera girigana remo and I put it out there. Gi shitoma. And then akihorera dimo. She called my phone Wakeruba. So I didn't answer it. I can text. Answer my phone. I'll be right back. Gioka kwa thimu yake akijate damani aragotumira girigana rimwe thaa ici. Go and acknowledge it in there. Na uge blah 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 blah. I was like, okay, no problem. So they get a I was like, actually before I went, are you sure? Because I don't want to be embarrassed. Akijua tiri agotumire kana atume kuria kwe directly atume directly kwe AC. So when they announced na gituma directly kwe AC ni dadomire ni by the because obviously the man and I were not friends. The point is I'm not here trying to
Goria terere kenyambe gorie hau auga to ndina hanyita na hanini mbeca ciratumwo nĩ andũ me mũciĩ cirehwo Dubai
Dubai no
you know why
M-Pesa ni M-Pesa ikiwa Gulf
do you know why sweetie do you know why
Harry wash
first
asa ugira anonymous
no first of all kure modo taru ni de na speed dial yage kiki modo gitagwo Degwa the shake jiratrere gotumire besha BK. I wouldn't know your number. I have speed dial for this motherfucker because the demo to besha in the past. Okay. I'm safe sending the money to him because I'm just pressing. Edikwe degwa agotumire. That's what these people have.
Mwerewe na initials ya kodane vikasui.
Negode na kwenatrere. Ona negwa mutoni na dama. Like that's what they have.
Tondu no marenda gutuma na ihenya nigetha makorwo matuma mbere.
Thank you.
Tondu ihenya riu nario ri marenda gukorwo matuma haria mbere.
No me BK. Esther athia Katriga riri haria hena kioneki gitakuonekanirwo.
Were tondu emoge muno ri uthia haria hatari kioneki. Are you stupid or stupid?
Agikorwo akirumba ni aragutumira mbeca ogwo Esther ri wainuka muci agwike interview tu kuhuthira goro ogwo bua agwite kuu gwetaga githaiga na we no uhote kwaria
ni ndegaga sweetheart
ukiraga niki
ndiragithi kuria interview yake njoru yako thiere ko 18
agethia kiuga atiriri
are you joking right now
ndagithungu kingi kia mwite endete mwite kwi jigi
orasiate wakiruba ni kuregarega kuita interview no are you joking are you joking right atawakiruba ni
we niko chonjo wivu ya nini ya wash
no but it's true walinitumia
okay again as a bombard Neke mweda
sai mwe ko sia mutini sia dawa
he's doing
good. Then when you know the potential to me besha I didn't even do the issue
asa they got ready eo ne pass they must be besa ni 1 million no no they
besa niki
asa no esta bomba
tado my friend Ata ndoi.
We Esther ni rono gwa ri wega.
Kwena mucango ngi mwaiga ati mwenda kumucangithiria mundu ena demio agorire ana brand ambassador
Ndenda kwamba gukira ndego ndenda gukira kire ndaici ndina besha ndomirwo ciake na ti ciakwa. I swear to God on my phone na besha ciake nyingi ndomirwo ni andu my fans
nimukona wira wa kuruta ngai mweganithio
niguo cio
ndakwira haria hena nyota niho mundu ateithikagira
apondo muwenda weigwa ndukuhota guthi handu hena nyota
oko bese icio mugitorira arwaru kana street children mundu atorithia ngari ena thina mundu ena 3 bedroom mundu ena ng'ombe
tunamuinua wenda guthi kwi ng'ombe thiu gaikare kuina ng'ombe na itina riu riaku Duka hesa gone ng'ombe
mukanjura kai mwathani wakwa njakaniria
Niko chonjo ara tutire na wira waku ona nduranyita uria turaria we niko chonjo
nikere wose ngomeo
ni ne ati arauga ngaha miario mingia mutware ni
we mwana wa ngai thie kwi ngai tamaka nugucerwo ni kanitha mitha ya mbere ni gucererwo mwana wa ngai we ta mwana wa ngai no ende gute gufuata udak
nigucoke kuria maratuma mbeca Dubai ni mambia kumakia maratuma mbeca Dubai cigathiruruka Dubai
maratuma mbeca cirumakire Dubai maratumirwo
Esther niki nigetha cicoke ningi cicoke
mamutumira tondu mame atiriri ni muici wa nyota na muici wa cai
magacoka mundu uria maratumira mbeca hakuhi nao
cai wa itherero right
anga mendaga atiriri monire matumira uyu wa karaguri tondu ndoi kwanirira ri anga ndekwanirira makiona matumira Dubai nigetha cianirire maita meri
akuga atiriri
mewa na muno
dama wa mobile spares tondu menda kumenyekana kicikitwa buga
ndamucirie kino guragira athuri njohi
nere
kuguragira njohi
nere ure mwana gitu tondu ni gukiriri ndenda kumenyekana ngimenyana kanite nyondo ciakwa ciikufara kugwika atia mwana tondu mucuthu waku gutiri mundu ui ukucokia thiini ukumio nginya mucuthu ucio
wendaga maciba magwika atia nuria maciba sifa
ndehagwo ni Facebook nundu wa maciba
ona matuma ukauga ndunanyita
ndahaicaga reke ngikwire BK yagweta ritwa riaku waitherero niwi Esther athia kuria kwina numbers of viewers athia kwiganithia
no weri ndiroka gwaku niki na nduri na numbers kaitere hakiri
kwani waithero ako huku
niki na nduri numbers am I stupid
wathi kwiganithia niki nduitagirie caigua
ndiroka gwaku na numbers
andu 40 ni aku
Joke gwaku tare kindu am I stupid
Esther kwani mimi nimeelewa kwani niko
huku Wedera tulia hapo wewe wangu wewe.
Kanile go.
Mwendo adhurio.
Nikio ikara niko gotondo ikara hoto dhuri.
Hata mimi niko huku imagine ni hata
huko ona ile ramenya ni akinyire kuri.
Wedera sawa.
You have landed.
Ogo toro ikara hoto dhuri.
Brought me here.
Wedera kegwe modo geto degwa dikirege giki geti.
Degwa ni muge degwa is a very smart guy.
Muge waitina na
why is the kwendi?
I can read in between your lines.
Kwendi is a very smart guys.
Riu ni ndire kwena nduri kindu
ngigerero ndamukorire handu hangi aigira atiriri ndamukorire handu hangi kiganithia Peter Kelly, this Saturday, I'm gonna buy you a jacket down there. Dad's got the guy, no more, go, utangate. Wena na bag, don't you mugurire, WhatsApp.
Yes, let me tell you something. Everything that one say is a true.
No,
Esther, you're just so a
but my question is,
Show up.
no, nimekubali abotige nimekubali nidetekera, but I'm asking mura dega nidere kwenyu na mutirike. What the fuck? Why should I? What I'm gaining from you guys?
The wrong platform.
Yeah.
And constitution
You
about
literally, you're in my platform right now, mwegwakwa. So get the fuck away from my platform.
But we cannot. We have to address this issue in your own platform.
Like, go address it in your own platforms.
No, we cannot.
No, I need you to leave me alone. Like
It's going to be a non-factor to our own platform.
Because go the
It's
fuck
better you
away. I
face
do
that
not.
person face to
Hui
face.
maya maumbo wa nyinyi.
Zilizaliwa echoes of war.
Mimi si waogopi na si wabembeleza.
We mwandikerwo atiriri haha Joy of all the other people na vile anadharau wanawake.
Muhiga.
Ndegwa ndimaragira community to njaragia ma. Oyo Esther ni wako yendithiriria.
Yes. Na nikio
Toma goli. Kinya no arute mbeca ke nagetha endeke.
Ndikaruta mbeca ciakwa ta inyuĩ.
Kimenyi wa goli.
Get the monies back. Wahaicire ndege rimwe na
nimakinyire Dubai.
Wahaicire ndege ya mwisho. Wahaicire ndege ya mwisho.
Temorie.
Wethera mwe
Akinyaga Dubai in 2 months.
Abira kinya arugire mbere ya Ndarama before makinyete Dubai.
Nimakinyire kana nitureirwo. Nimakinyire Dubai.
So that you can easily travel.
Whether ndwajete ndego ni chokora. Whether ndwajete ndego ni chokora. Whether
yes, that one is sokora.
Yes, sokora.
Yes.
Wajete jogo ni chokora ndoginyita. You cannot be associated with njogo his chokora.
Yeah, that one is chokora.
Both of you are chokora.
And then kwani maheni that one is chokora.
No ataraga.
Gethaigane makinyire Dubai.
Rora witherero mundu arafiki nya ekirite nya kiremba nigetha tuke ngorino. Nacio twitago ngorino.
No chokora ni chokora tondu ndangimenya.
Ora ipika gei ndegwa ni chokora. Urathekithia kira ni njaragia ma. Ndegwa kire chokora. Tijoge thekithia ntaga undu chokora. Ndegwa ni chokora. Tijoge thekithia.
No, namenya ndari chokora bai chokora thaici hani.
Okay, urathekithia teka undu kare
no. Ndonire suga tabia we muhunyuku na rangeria na.
Ogweciregete ngoma kati chokora.
We muhunyuku na rangeria na.
Dewa kere muhunyuku na ni chokora.
We niwe muhunyuku.
Wewe riwae muhunyuku ni suga sabi. Waithera rikiga ti muhunyuku ta ndora wega.
Ona muhunyuku.
Yes.
Waithera na muhunyuku.
Yes.
Akanda ni muhunyuku.
Kage muruma.
Urenda atia.
No, suga sabi da kone iguru.
Sua maria tere dige ko mai muhunyuku.
Au
amuna na nema by the way.
Nema.
Hau ni haja kirona ni ndambire ngetheka ndathekire ndambire.
Ha dinamika.
Dago
ni.
Dago guikome. Na mimi suaragia ma.
Jokerithiria muraya suka sabi.
Suka sabi ba korumire handu. Kwa TikTok drama. Augi atire wizi wa itherero. Ule withero akana ura muhunyuku.
Yes. Akioe dhagiria take. Ndiye dhagiria take. Akioe. That's the truth. Degwa akioi. I don't say no. Sugar sabi nioi.
Ndagiona riri wa sugar shabi.
Yes, and I don't want to try to see it. You know? Anadireda kuona.
Ugasabi na akiarera andu guo niki ni uru muno kwira
Nani aragama?
These bitches.
Hata wetero ni ajira kwa amwaji ai. Ugasabi. Adu comment section wakemea teneri. Tena mberero alikuwa na kucha. Au gati alikuwa na mchamba. Wacha Ugasabi. Ule wetero wa Canada. Ule muhunyoku. Na ugina gitare koyo. Ule muhunyoku.
Yes. Degwa, yes.
Neka kenuogwo. Ule muhunyoku.
Yes.
Oria.
Yes.
mundu andika atiriri haha thikiririai. Amefunika story ya kujipendekeza.
Yeah. Mimi sijipendekeza sangi kama watu.
Ugasambi
akifuniki ndio wadiedhagereria kuri andu. And that's how I love myself.
Story ya kujipendekeza.
Gorerwa johi kana gorerwa ki. Ndiedhagereria.
No, mimi
I'm not here to be. Esta wako yadigereria ndegwarenda kugorerwa johi. Ndiedhagereria ndamre de muhunyo.
Kugorerwa johi.
Because I love myself.
Hoya niko chonjo yo we ha todora rumana we rumana na kanua.
Because I trust myself. I'm that Kikuyu woman motikanyo na. Yes. Negora de gekoyo kanyo na.
Ya kafete.
Actually, guys, stop typing.
Gekoyo kiega ona mwandike kana mweke ate ni ndiedithagireria.
Osa, ure kona spirit.
We still love you, motherfucker. We still love you.
Kujipendekeza.
Ni mimi.
Ati ginyaga dikuyadikizia. Ati kuyadithiria ginya kwe pita kioi. Ati ndakununia. Why don't you do it?
Stop putting Degwa tukanaja maondo maige. Degwa, can you focus with me and Sugar Sambi?
Okay, Sugar Sambi ugirio ugo.
I don't need you.
Pita kioi. Nenie na Sugar Sambi. But nore wala nye gedithiria kuri andu.
No, Dori.
No, you cannot.
Makire gigwa esta boba kakira akira tiri
yes
na matiara hia
yes
ndiye kagoguo kanya nagima Canada mwenyewe anadure wakinya ruraya ukenyithania mundu guys after wakinya ruraya ndo korata ocio wa matina manene kwirihira
Of course.
Matina manene ogo nego ukoro niere uniere nie ndingero tondu nie ndikaga mitugo mwikaga
tondore kindo mwana itondore kindo nikyo thambagia cio
Degwa nie ndire kindo na ndikaga kindo
kenga thugume
oiga wera itoro dai na kindo ona
ono Amerikenda
ado esta bomba orete anya kure ora wiru paru
yes
baf Waitore na gari Range Rover kinene.
Alone yatora gari.
Oh, esta boba kigati ati ndetigagira farafara.
Tora kuagwo ni arafu kinugiraga matina.
Ngehota kugura gari. Kuba.
Mwenye andara akinyarura akamenya kuri arakinya.
Onda gemenya kinyarura. Ati dake athana gwathana
akinyarura
atija ahai temo Pakistan.
We waiting for that.
Na Uber sia Dubai.
Mwana ndara akinyarura.
Ndewo no turaga onuga go thurire.
Dari kendo ndureke akinya guku.
Keri aja duga othe.
Ote mundu kegerekania nani macungura.
Tareke joe marashi.
Macungura mutare marakinya nginya haria ndi. Kegerekania nani ni. Macungura matare marakinya haria ndi.
Wethera onaga andu othe.
Macungura matare marakinya haria ndi.
Wethera onaga andu. Wethera onaga.
Otire mundu kegerekania nani macungura. Kinya ni haria ndi miaka 10 na kindu.
Wethera aria thina. Atwagathagia cioro onaga andu othe ta makorwo makiriga thina ta.
Abu Dhabi. Alafu mwegerekania nani Abu Dhabi.
Wethera aria ekirwo kiria thina onaga andu othe
waguthambia matina na mai
ti andu othe mariaga
ni kambuni yake ni kambuni ya guthabia
guthambagia cioro
na kambuni esta bomba kogoti kwandikitwo Waithera ena kambuni yake
Canada. You compare me Abu
ena
Dhabi
kambuni ya guthambia itina
urakompea mundu urakompea mundu
Kuhenirie sweetheart kuhenirie
ona urenda kura uthie urenda kura esta bomba urenda kura
wakinya we tondu wi muriu ugakorwo ta Karo M
niki athambagia cioro
ugakinya guku wikare
guku gathambia cioro sweetheart ona
we gukorwo alcohol
wena shift kiroko thi ugathambia cioro giti giki